welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at TVS Emerald Aurelis, an upcoming premium residential community which is located in Thani Sandra, which is Bangalore's one of the fastest growing location, and this project is being developed by the TVS Emerald. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. And let's start with a quick overview of this project. So this project is spread across 3.71 acres of land parcel and it's featuring total 6 blocks with an elevation of basement plus ground plus 12 floors with a total of 393 apartments, and every apartment is 100% Vastu compliant. You get here north, east or west facing entrance for the balanced and positive living experience. This project also offers you 40 plus lifestyle amenities which is ideal for modern families who value comfort, convenience and well-designed lifestyle. Now let me show you the amenities. So this is what you get here: kids play area, basketball court, swimming pool, kids pool, party lawn, then jogging track, co-working space, banquet hall, mini movie theatre, games room, then the aroma garden, gym, gazebo, cards room and the squash court. And talking about the location advantages, so this project strategically located on Thani Sandra, which is one of the fastest growing corridor in North Bangalore, and this project offers you amazing connectivity like Outer Ring Road is just 2 minutes away, Thani Sandra Main Road is just 3 minutes away, Bagalore Cross Metro Station 7 minutes away, Yelahanka Junction is just 12 minutes away, and Kempegowda International Airport is just 20 minutes away. This project is surrounded by top schools, hospitals, tech parks, especially Manyata Tech Park. So this was the scale model. Let's head to the sample flat. So this is the actual construction site of TVS Emerald Aurelis. So this is the beautiful and spacious 3 BHK sample flat of TVS Emerald Aurelis, and let's start from the entrance. So this is your foyer area which looks really neat and feels very welcoming. You can keep your shoe rack over here or you can add the decor as well. And from here, let's walk into the living area. So this is your living area which looks really bright, open and very comfortable. And also one more thing, this living area comes with the attached balcony which looks really spacious. So this is the attached balcony which looks super spacious and it's perfect for your morning tea and sit-outs. So right next to this living area, you can see dining area over here which is really placed so well and it easily fits a 6-seater dining table. It connects smoothly to the living room and the kitchen, making it perfect for family meals, and right next to it, you get the common washroom. So this is your common washroom, and there is one more thing, you get total 3 washrooms in this apartment. Also this common washroom has a separate sink space outside which makes daily use much easier. And now let's go to the kitchen. So here is the kitchen which looks really nice, and you have the good storage cabinets as well. This kitchen comes with a separate wet and dry area, plenty of overhead and base cabinets. So this is your dry balcony which is perfect for the washing machine or for the extra storage. And now let me show you the bedroom one. So this is your bedroom one which looks really bright, well ventilated, and it comes with the natural lights. And now let's take a look at the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom. You can use it as a kids room as well. So this bedroom comes with an attached washroom. And it's perfect, looks very cozy and functional. It can easily fit a bed, wardrobe or the study table, perfect for your kids. And now let's go to the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom which comes with attached balcony, and it looks extra spacious and comes with attached washroom as well. This master washroom comes with a premium fittings, good ventilation and a comfortable shower space. Look at the finishing, tiles and fixture gives a very elegant feel to the attached washroom. And you also get the good walk-in area as well. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat of TVS Emerald Aurelis. So this 3 BHK 3T apartment comes with a 1793 square feet and price starts from 1.91 crore onwards. If you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more property updates.